Good day, Sir Earl. Good day, everyone. We are Group 6, also known as Daloy Studios. For our research title, it is named Flood Rush Bayanihan Rescue, Development of a 2D Disaster Rescue Simulation Game. This research focuses on developing a 2D disaster rescue simulation game that promotes awareness about flood hazard, preparedness, and response through interactive gameplay. And for our game title, it is known as Flood Rush Bayanihan Rescue 2D. The game allows players to take on the role of a volunteer rescuer who saves civilians and animals in a flood-affected areas while avoiding environmental dangers or hazards. For the next part, my group mate will be discussing the leaderboards.
To make our game more exciting and competitive, our game features our leaderboard system for each difficulty level, easy, medium, and hard. For every level, we record and display the top 10 highest scores achieved by players. This means each difficulty has its own separate leaderboard with 10 high score slots. The purpose of the leaderboard is to encourage healthy competition among players, motivate players to improve their performance, recognize the top 10 achiever in each difficulty level. Scores are not combined. The easy, medium, and hard modes each maintain their own ranking system to ensure fairness and accurate performance tracking. And that concludes the explanation of our leaderboard system. Now, I would like to pass the presentation to Bernalito Chudoro for the next part of our discussion.
This slide explains the game mechanics of our game. To play the game, the player uses WASD keys to control the rescuer or vehicle. W for moves up, A for moves backward, D for moves forward, S for moves down. Player can also use power up by right clicking or pressing the assigned key to gain advantage during the game. Mhm. However, the player must avoid different obstacles. First, the trash bag, which is represent the flood debris. If the player hits them, the game ends immediately. Yung next. Hmm. This screen shows the mission. Object Objectives of our game. The main goal is to rescue all required people and animals in each level while avoiding dangerous obstacles and surviving the flood. Players must safely reach the end of the stage to complete the mission successfully. The game also highlights the spirit of bayanihan, encouraging players to help others, show courage, and work together to overcome disasters. Next, we will be hearing from our next presenter together with Christian James Goods.
Next, I will show you the pose. Now we're gonna play the game. Now we are gonna play the easy level. Now we have to press the P to pause the game. This posing is the gameplay control feature that allow the player to temporarily stop the game at any time by pressing the P on the keyboard. When the pause function is activated, the game system all movement, animation, and interaction. This ensures that the player's progress remains in its current state while the game is paused. A pause menu interface they appear on the screen. The pause menu contains two main options. We have two buttons. First is we have resume. This option allows the player to continue the game from the exact point where it was paused. Once selected, the post interface disappear and normal play resume. And the second is quit. This option allows the player to exit the current gameplay session and return to the main menu and we have to finish the game. This name we go to the leaderboard. So we have to input a name for the leaderboard. And in this figure, it shows user control and flexibility, allowing player to take a break or safely exit the game without interrupting gameplay. Now we have to finish the game to show the leaderboard. This is the medal, superpower to the obstacle immunity. We have 5 seconds. That. Now this is the extra speed boot power up. Extra speed to move faster. And every ratio we have a sound effect. Now we have ratio center to finish the game. Now we have biennial success. And the final score is 140. And we have to submit that for the leaderboard. Now we have submit and view the leaderboard. And 140. Where 140 is? Oh, we have saved on in we have Harold and this is the leaderboard. We have to press next game. And it concludes the overview of Blood Rush. Blood Rush is not only a ratio survival game but also have presentation to unity and compassion during times of disaster. All these gameplay mechanics and score system, difficult progression and mission objective. The game highlights the importance of helping others and embodying the Filipino spirit of Bayanihan. Thank you for your time and watching. I hope you enjoy learning about Broadcast Ratio Bayanihan. Thank you.